Ever promised yourself you'd finally save for that trip, that emergency fund, or that big day? And then life happens, expenses pile up, and your goals fade away. You're not bad with money. You just never had a saving system that works with you, not against you. Meet the Goal-Based Savings Tracker, a powerful yet simple Google Sheet built to help you reach any savings goal. Vacation in 3 months? Wedding in 6? Just plug in your goal, amount, and deadline, and boom! It tells you exactly how much to save daily, weekly, or monthly. See your live progress bar fill up with each entry. Add and track multiple goals, big or small. Make your goals SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Use any currency. Just choose it from the dropdown. Quickly convert an amount to your preferred currency. Haven't saved in a while? Get a gentle reminder. And yes, it works 100% in Google Sheets. No apps or installs. Whether you're saving solo or with a partner, this tracker keeps you motivated, accountable, and on track every single day. Download your copy on Gumroad now. One sheet, one goal, one step closer to your dreams. The Goal-Based Savings Tracker. Save with purpose.